Data without consent. Data collection without consent AI systems often gather vast amounts of personal data without users being fully aware or giving explicit consent. Think about your interactions with voice assistants, search engines, or even social media algorithms. These platforms track your activity, collect data on your preferences, and build detailed profiles. This happens often without you fully understanding how your data is being used or stored. Example: you might notice that after talking about a product with a friend, you suddenly start seeing ads for that product. Your device could be passively collecting information through voice activation, even though you didn't actively tell it to listen. Surveillance and tracking. AI surveillance and tracking AI is commonly used in facial recognition, social media monitoring, and even location tracking. Those technologies raise serious privacy concerns because they allow businesses and governments to follow and monitor individuals on a massive scale. Once data is collected, it's tough to control how it's used or shared. Example: imagine walking through a shopping mall and cameras equipped with facial recognition track your movements, recognize you, and send your profile information to stores for targeted advertising. You're being watched without ever knowing it. Data breaches. Data breaches in AI systems. AI relies on huge data sets, many of which contain sensitive personal information. If a company using AI for their business has poor security measures, a cyber attack could expose your private information to hackers. The more data AI systems handle, the more attractive they become as targets for breaches. Example: if a healthcare app using AI to diagnose conditions gets hacked, your medical history, along with millions of others, could be exposed online. This is the kind of breach that AI systems need to protect against, but often struggle with. Bias in AI decision-making. AI algorithms can be biased, and that bias may disproportionately affect certain groups of people, leading to unfair treatment. When AI systems make decisions about hiring, lending, or even law enforcement, they may use flawed data, reinforcing societal biases. Example: you apply for a loan online, but the AI algorithm denies your application because of biased data that correlates your zip code with credit risk, even though you have a great credit score. Manipulation of personal data. AI manipulation of personal data. AI systems are increasingly capable of analyzing and predicting user behavior. This allows them to subtly manipulate your preferences by presenting tailored information, nudging you towards specific choices. Without realizing it, AI may be influencing your decisions. Example: you're shopping online, and an AI algorithm curates the search results based on what it knows about your past purchases, limiting your exposure to alternative brands or products that might be cheaper or better. Deepfake technology. AI and deepfake technology. AI-generated deepfakes are videos or audio recordings that convincingly mimic real people. This technology can be used to create misleading content, spread misinformation, or even commit identity fraud. The privacy threat here lies in how easily someone's likeness or voice can be replicated without their consent. Example: imagine seeing a video of yourself saying something you never said. Deepfake technology could make it look like you said something controversial or damaging, and it can be very hard to prove that it's fake. Corporate surveillance. Increased corporate surveillance AI tools allow employers to monitor their employees more closely than ever before. From tracking productivity to analyzing emails, AI can delve into employees' behavior in ways that may feel invasive. Example: your employer could use AI to analyze your daily communication patterns and flag you if the system thinks you're not working hard enough, based on how frequently you send emails or attend meetings. Children's privacy. Children's privacy is another growing concern. AI-powered toys, educational tools, and games often collect data on children without parents fully understanding what's being tracked or how it will be used. This is a sensitive area because children are more vulnerable to privacy invasions. Example: a smart toy might record your child's voice or track their play habits, using that data to target them with ads or store sensitive information that could be hacked. Predictive policing. Predictive policing law enforcement agencies are using AI to predict where crimes might occur, but this raises major concerns about privacy, as the technology could profile people based on their location or past behavior, leading to discrimination. Example: you might be flagged as a risk by an AI system just because you live in a certain neighborhood, even though you've done nothing wrong. Imagine this happening to you? AI-powered trackers and malicious software are quietly exploiting your data every day. Stay ahead of these invisible threats with advanced tools that block AI-driven tracking and safeguard your personal and business information. Check the links below.